Hi there, Retro Tech Ralph here. I've been given a donation into the garage again. Picked this up the other day. Xbox 360, it's the fat version. The white version as well. Picked it up from a guy in Chesterfield. Absolutely brilliant. I got as far as getting down there, and the shame with it is he turned around and says, "Oh, yeah, it was my son's," and he said something about a ring. And I'm like, oh no, red ring of bloody death. So that's kind of not really going to be helping much. But I'm going to strip it down and take it to pieces. It's obviously it's the white one. I don't think it's much on the size of the hard drive, but I'm going to show you that you can. I've had this before with an Xbox. It was completely ruined. I completely killed the motherboard. Same as what this is inside here. The motherboard's red ringed, which means you might as well just throw it in the bin unless you're really good at reballing graphic chips, which I'm not. But yeah, what I did with the original Xbox before was use it for parts. And I've had 4 Xboxes in the garage so far, and 3 of them are absolutely spot on. But this is my 3rd 360 in here, so let me get on with stripping this down. I'm not going to show you how to do it. There's plenty of other videos out there. It's an absolute pain in the arse. It would take me 20 minutes to get into the thing because it's never been opened, this one, and it's an absolute nightmare to get into on certain bits if you don't know what you're doing and you think you're going to break things, but it's not. But let me get this stripped down and I'll show you exactly what we can use in the future for this. Right, we are fully stripped down. This is the white version. See what I mean about getting into the cases? The front part, once you've got the top section off and the bottom section off, there's these little clips here which are very easy to come off. You can just put your fingernail under and it comes off on that side only. And a sticker there, Microsoft warranty sticker. On the back, there are these pins here. Now you can just see there's a gap there. There will be gaps there, underneath where the china is, there, and there. So you need to kind of put a pin in to get that exact part of this plastic tab here to push forward on each one of these, while at the same time prying it open, which is a pain in the arse. I'm not recording that again. So, parts we've got. Right, I'll leave that there a second. We have a decent looking, needs a little bit cleaning, nothing major. Top and bottom, a white one. What I could do with mine, the black Xbox 360 I've got, I could easily just strip it so it's half black, half white. So it's a customizable sort of thing. Your motherboard, I'm not that happy with. Fan there, that looks fine. Plugged into 5. What I've actually figured out on this with all of these Xbox 360s is the way you find out the different type. Now this one, I think it's a Xenon, because it hasn't got a HDMI slot on here, but it's got that configuration. Let me find, yeah, I bought an adapter for the Slim 360, which takes that one, so I can still use the one I've got, which is a Jasper, and I can use this inside it, which is great. However, there's slight differences. Let me get you in. Jasper connection, or the mirror of it at least anyway, and Xenon. The centre part there, line at the top, that's all it is. And obviously that won't go in there. I would need an adapter from that on one side and the opposite to that on another, but since this has already got a red ring of death, I'm not even bothered. I'm not even going to attempt to do it. I'm not even going to try to plug it in. See, there's a lot of things I can keep. Eject button there. If this part down here is dead, fine. I could possibly keep the heat sinks. That does seem a little bit bowed. Ignore that. Now, I had a problem taking one of the bottom sections off. This is why this bit's here, because this bit's broke in two. I'm missing that little piece. I don't care, there's another one that fell off. But I can get one of these easily online. There's people stripping down 360s all the time, so I might get another one of them. If not, it's not the end of the world. I could try and stick it together if I really wanted to, with that corner bit, that part missing there. But like I said, this is going to be spares this for future projects, I think. So you also have CD drive, DVD drive, bit mucky, bit sticky on the front, nothing that I can't clean off. This one is a Toshiba Samsung, so that will work fine. Positive that'll work fine. So another part we can use. Top section there is in full one piece. All tabs are on, so that's a good part. The front part here, the front white section, power button's okay. The memory card slots, they're fine. The springs behind them, I was missing one of these on the other one, on my black one, but I bought another fascia, which came here. Took the spring off. I have one spare spring there, which I don't know whether or not the bottom one is the same, but this bottom one doesn't do very well, but it's only because the springs fell off and it's kind of wedged underneath there. I actually kind of think that might be broken. Maybe not. But where would that hook onto? Ah, that's come off. There should be a pin going across, shouldn't there? So now I've got both without a... But again, it's not essential. I keep that because I might need that. Again, parts we can use for another day. The plastic part which diverts the fan, well, having the fan blow cold air onto the heat spreader there. Another hard drive as well, which is good. I need hard drive, but it's only 20 gig, so it's not majorly on the top. I've already been in this anyway, that's why the warranty sticker's gone. But all good parts, apart from the motherboard, all good parts for the future. So it's not essential that things work in the garage. It'd be nice if everything come in, it was perfect, thank you very much, but it isn't. Things come in, they're broken, they're in good condition, but I can't do anything with this because it's just not the motherboard's the main thing on this, so I can't really do anything with it. I can take the heat spreader off and I can heat up the chip underneath it, but I'd end up blowing it up, so there's no real point. I'm trying to think actually, I'm not sure if the capacitors have... No, they look fine to me. I really don't fancy recapping. What I've actually seen on eBay is there's somebody selling a Jasper motherboard only, working motherboard only. It might be worth getting a new motherboard. If I'm that bothered, then I might get another motherboard and just fit it into here. If not, we'll just leave it as is and for another day. So it's not like I say, it's not essential things work in here. Sometimes I prefer it if they didn't, because it's more fun trying to put them back together again. So yeah, that's just a quick thanks for the donation. Shame it doesn't work, but it's not the end of the world because I can use things. So anyway, thanks for watching. It's not a really repair, it's just a state of yeah, it's for the future. This one has to be for the future. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, on Facebook, send me a message, Patreon if you fancy it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. One thing I've learned about all this retro stuff, throw nothing away. Keep it, because you'll always find a use for it.